Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay, so today we are doing EVS, and today we have taken a new topic which is one and many. So, what do you understand by one and by many? Okay, now let's see here. How many finger I have right now in this? How many fingers I am showing here? Only one finger. And now I am showing more than fingers. So if we have more than fingers, if we have more than one thing, we call it many. Okay, or we can call it singular. One thing means singular and many things means plural. Alright, so see here, how many toys I have right now in my hand? Only one toy. And here I am having, now I am having more than one toys, more than one toy. So now I will call them toys, not toy. Okay, because I have got many toys here. So I have many toys. One toy but many toys. Okay. So now how many pen I have? How many marker I have? I have got only one marker here. But here I have many markers. Okay. Now look at the model. So we are doing one and many. Alright. Now see how many cats I am having here. How many cats? Only one cat. So I will call cat. But here you will see more than one cat. Then what will we call? We will not call them cat. We will call them cats. We have to add s here. Okay. So we will write cats. T and s. We need to put s at the end. Okay, to make it plural, to make it many, we have to add s. Now how many red I have here? Only one red. Only one red. But how many reds I have here? More than one. So I will write here reds. What will I write? Reds. R A T S. Reds. So I will write reds here. Okay. Now can you see? There is only one pin I have. Only one safety pin I have here. But here if you could see, I have got many. I have got many. I have got more than one. So I will write pins. I have to add S. Per, in, s, pins. Okay, so what is this delicious thing you can see here? Bun. Do you eat bun? Okay, sometimes. Okay, so how many bun I have here? Only one bun. But here I have got many buns. You can invite your friends also to eat them. Okay, so what will I say? What will I say then? Buns. I have to add S. So they are now buns. Okay. How many mug I have? Do you drink milk in the mug or glass? Okay, so I have got only one mug here, but here I have got 1, 2, 3, more than one mugs. So I will call them mugs, not mug. I have to add S here. So what we say? Mugs. M, A, G, and S. S, we need to put S. Okay, if you will not put S here, then it will not be the plural. If you have more than one thing, you will call it mugs. Now, how many dogs I have here? One dog. And dog barks. Okay. What is the color of this dog? Brown. Okay, you can call him Brownie. So, there is only one dog. Okay. Here I have got more than one dog. So, how many dogs I have here? 1, 2, 3. They are more than one. So, I will call them dogs, not dog. I have to add what? S. I have to add S behind. Okay, so I will write dogs. This way. Okay, now how many pen are here? Here I have got only one pen. How many pen? Only one pen. But if you will see here, I have got many pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pens I have. So I will write pens. See if it is correct. pen. Is it correct? No, because I have not put S here. But things are many here. So I have to add S also. So I will put S also. Now there are many. Okay. Now see how many egg I have here. I have got only one egg. Okay. One egg. So I will write egg. But if I have more than one egg, I will say eggs. I will say eggs. So I will write here eggs. Egg, double G, and what else I have to put? I have to put sir. Okay. So I am putting here sir. Now it becomes many eggs. Okay. So they are singular and plural. Or you can say one and many. Okay. Now say it with me. One cat but many cats. One rat but many rats. One pin but many pins. One bun but many buns. One mug but many mugs. One dog. See, I have got one dog here, but here you can see many dogs. One pen, many pens. One egg, many eggs. Okay, so this is one and many. Okay, I hope you all understand it. Okay, so this is all for today. Have a nice day.